Hey everyone, it's Drew. I hope everybody's having a great week. And today I wanted to show this trailer that we got in, manufactured by Texoma Trailers. This is called their Terminator trailer. It's 24 foot long. It's got chrome walkways. It's 83 inches in between the fenders. It's a split tail. It's got 7,000 pound G.v.w.r axles on it. It's got a brake on the back and an idler on the front. It's got radial tires. It's got 360D rings, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, diamond plate fenders. It's got your 3 clearance lights in the back, L.E.D lights. A 2-inch adjustable Bulldog with a reinforced front, Bulldog square jack, 7-way plug, Breakaway kit system, and I'll show you how it tilts. It's got a hydraulic dampener on it. And this trailer is $72.50 out the door. If anybody's interested, feel free to reach out at any time. We can get them in different colors, different axle upgrades. Thank y'all.